Welcome back to the channel, classic car fans. Today we're taking a ride back to the golden age of American automobiles, the fabulous 1950s, with a spotlight on one of the most iconic machines of the era, the 1957 Oldsmobile Super 88. This beauty wasn't just about chrome and curves, it packed serious power, comfort, and style. So buckle up as we explore this automotive gem from bumper to bumper. Exterior. Note the 1957 Oldsmobile Super 88 was a true reflection of jet age America. Long, wide, and dripping in chrome, it measured over 18 feet from front to back. The front fascia was dominated by a bold, wide grille with an abundance of chrome trim and twin-jet pod-style headlights that screamed futurism. The hood featured Oldsmobile's signature chrome rocket ornament, a symbol of speed, space-age fascination, and optimism. Moving along the side, the sweeping lines and two-tone paint jobs made this car instantly recognizable. Chrome spear moldings stretched from the headlights to the tail fins, splitting the body and accentuating its length. Speaking of tail fins, yes, they were there. Subtle compared to Cadillacs, but sharp enough to give the rear a rocket-inspired presence. Out back, you got the trademark bullet taillights integrated into sculpted fenders, adding the final touch to a car that was already bursting with character. The cabin of the 57 Super 88 was luxurious and futuristic by 1950s standards. It was available in a wide range of color combinations, often matching or complementing the exterior two-tone schemes. The dashboard was sleek and curved, housing a beautifully detailed instrument panel with chrome accents and a speedometer that looked like it belonged in an airplane cockpit. Interior. Bench seats came standard, white and plush, with premium fabrics or vinyl upholstery. You could easily seat 6 adults, and the level of comfort was exceptional for the time. Power accessories like windows, seats, and even power antennas were available options, giving the Super 88 a taste of luxury that rivaled top-tier models. And let's not forget that signature Oldsmobile steering wheel with the translucent horn ring, pure mid-century style. Performance. Power came from a 371 cubic inch rocket V8 engine, part of Oldsmobile's famed rocket engine series. It produced a robust 277 horsepower with a 4-barrel carburetor setup. That was a big deal in 1957, putting the Super 88 in the league of performance sedans. Mated to a 4-speed Hydramatic automatic transmission, the car delivered smooth shifts and surprisingly quick acceleration for its size. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 10 seconds, which was impressive for a 4,200-pound cruiser. Top speed just north of 110 miles per hour. Not bad for something that could double as your living room on wheels. Handling was typical of 1950s American cars, soft suspension, lots of body roll, but a plush, comfortable ride on highways. It wasn't built for corners, it was made to glide. The 1957 Oldsmobile Super 88 wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A bold, brash, beautiful example of post-war American ambition. With space-age styling, a luxurious interior, and a potent V8 engine, it offered something for everyone: comfort, style, and performance. Today, it stands as a sought-after classic, prized by collectors and admired by enthusiasts who love the era of chrome, tail fins, and rocket power. If you're lucky enough to spot one at a show or on the road, take a moment to appreciate it. The 1957 Super 88 is more than just metal and rubber, it's rolling Americana. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this blast from the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite 1950s classic car. Until next time, keep cruising.